Forge 1 is here. The full-scale 3D printer. Absolute precise. Extremely affordable. Very easy to use. High-resolution lead screw, zero backlash nut, high-resolution step motor, high-end ball bearings ensure absolute precise results. Variable resolution up to 5 nanometers precision, which means a perfectly smooth surface. Insulation material around the motor. The closed architecture and our fine tuning make Forge 1 extremely quiet. Over 21,000 cubic centimeters print volume. With the simple and very intuitive software, can anyone turn his visions into real objects with ease? Straight out of the box, within 10 minutes can you start printing. 3D printing has never been so easy. Choose the desired quality and proceed. The Forduino is much more than a smart interface. It guides you in beginner mode with step-by-step video tutorials and pictures, informs you via email if there's any anomaly or when the print is finished, and much more. Wireless charging. Not a single cable to plug in. Just put the tablet into the drawer and that's all. The tablet coming with Forge 1 has an IPS display with more light points of most other kind of displays with the same resolution. For smooth prints, also in X and Y dimensions. And when you don't use it for printing, is a wonderful tablet with an 8-cores processor, 2 cameras, Bluetooth 4.0, aluminum case, and a lot more. The Z-axis is a masterpiece of precision, totally maintenance-free, with a special design of the lead screw which allows smallest and smoothest movements without any noise. With our optionally available resin management, Forge 1 takes the exact amount of resin as needed from his big tank, and not a drop more. Straight out of the box, within 10 minutes can you start printing. Forge 1 comes full assembled, calibrated, tested, and with our 1.8 liters resin pack. Similar SLA printers have half the build volume of Forge 1, even those which cost 10 times more.